Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Balm Sunscreen. This product retails for $30. Now I am a Korean skincare lover and I love Korean sunscreens, but I do like to try a wide range because I know people have different preferences. Some people prefer American-based chemical sunscreens, and so that is why I'm excited to see this. This is an SPF 45. I am excited to see a new sunscreen from Glow Recipe. Their original one worked great for me, and so to see this stick is very exciting. I have done a review on a sunstick before, but I do just want to clarify, I usually look for sunsticks and turn to them for sunscreen reapplication. That is how I'm going to mainly use it during this trial, so just be mindful of that. I don't prefer going in with sunsticks as an initial application, but sometimes it can be a great reapplication. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They do have some fragrance in this product, so just be mindful. This is also a 100% American-based chemical sunscreen. The big things I'll be looking for with it mainly include, does it feel greasy on the skin, or how does it feel on the skin? I also want to see what finish it leaves. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all my first impression with this product. I am doing a reapplication of sunscreen right now, so that is, like I said, the only way that I'm going to use this, because I just don't prefer to go in with an SPF balm or stick as a first initial base layer of sunscreen. So the stick is clear, which I expected. It does have some fragrance in it, and I'm going to show you how much of the product you get, just because I've seen some people do that with sunscreens. You get a fairly good amount of this. That is how much you get, which, I mean, not sure how fast I'll go through that. I'm not the best at analyzing that, but I do go over my face about 3 or 4 times to make sure I am getting the maximum protection out of my sunstick. Wow, okay. Off of initial application, it's very easy to just glide all over my face. I've seen some sunsticks pull a little bit. The big thing that I am curious about with this sunstick is if it feels heavy on the skin. And also if it breaks me out, because this does have fragrance in it. I don't think I've seen a sunstick be this easy to glide all over my face. If you do just use this for reapplication, I feel like it won't be the worst, but you might go through this product pretty quickly. Honestly, pretty lightweight. It is a little bit like thick, a little bit waxy, which I mean, that's usually what SPF sticks are like, but compared to some of the other sun sticks that I've tried, this doesn't collect in my facial hair. It doesn't leave much of a finish because it is an American-based chemical sunscreen. It seems to be pretty lightweight. My skin does feel a little bit greasy. That could absorb and get better over time. I'm just going to continue using it and seeing. Right now, I am a fan of it. The fragrance is not overpowering. I feel like I'm liking it so far. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This was a very solid option for a sunstick, and I did enjoy applying this product for reapplication. It did layer very well. I found that I was able to use 2 to 3 layers of it throughout the day and it not feel too heavy, but this is definitely a more dewy option for a sunscreen, and if you are more oily or you just don't like a dewy finish, this may not be the best product for you. Additionally, this product does also have fragrance in it, so if you are sensitive to that, then definitely avoid it, but as someone who is able to tolerate fragrance and also enjoys a dewy finish to a sunscreen, I really loved it. This product didn't clog my pores or cause any acne, and I feel like it is a very solid option for an American-based chemical sunscreen that is great and easy for reapplication. I do personally prefer Korean chemical filters just because they work better for my skin, but this was a very solid option. I haven't tried any other American-based chemical filter sunsticks, so I am really a fan of this. It had a beautiful texture to it. It was is clear, so I don't feel like it will be an issue with a white cast. The only reason why you wouldn't like this is either because of the fragrance or because it does leave a dewier finish on the skin, and after about 4 to 5 swipes of it, it does start to feel a little bit dewy. It does absorb the more that I do wear it, but still there is that dewy finish and it is very hydrating. So if you're not looking for that in a sunstick, this is definitely not the way to go. I personally enjoy it, so I really enjoyed this option, and I feel like it is a great way to reapply your sunscreen. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.